back on with another tutorial, and this is for Tuesday. Trying to think what day I'm filming for. Today we are going to be using a set called Wonderful Romance. I'll just pick it up if I can. Let me find it first. Beautiful, beautiful set. I'll just bring you in a wee bit so you can see it. We're going to be using this big flower, although it's a little bit altered. And we are using this sentiment here, which is thinking of you. It's a lovely set, red rubber with the new cling. New cling mount, which are super, super sticky. Really beautiful set. Love that it's a mixed fonts. We've got the script and the text for them. Really pretty. Love these florals as well. Haven't really used them much. I do have the dies to go with it, but my die cut machine has gone to heaven. The handle broke off it. I did buy myself a little sidekick, which is fabulous. Love it. And it's so handy, lightweight, just perfect. But a lot of these bigger ones don't go through it, so I'm going to need to purchase another big shot. But never mind. So I have pre-stamped, cut and coloured, but I will show you the process of what I went through to get here. I have die cut a couple of little hearts that I am going to just layer up, and keeping it really simple, nothing too extravagant, just nice and spring-like. Okay, so let me see. So what I did was I stamped this out. I'll just do that. Big one. Piece of cardstock with the goat. Move that aside. Using our Memento Tuxedo Black because we're going to be working with alcohol markers. So we need to make sure that it is okay to use. So I'm making sure it's synced up really well, and my hands are a bit messed up at the minute, so excuse me if I'm off camera or whatever. I'm just trying to do what I can when I can. Put that lid back on. And then I just stamped it out. Give it a bit of a pressure. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Just got to clean my stamp using my stamping scrub. I do have the chamois, but I haven't been using it as much as I should have. I just find that cleans my stamps a lot quicker. And I'll put that back in there. Oops. There we are. Oops, cutting a bit off there. That's better. Right, so what I did then, if I bring it in another little bit closer, what I did then, if I lay this over it, you'll be able to see where I cut out. Okay, so I took this part off because when I was fussy cutting, you know that these little bits are going to leave. You can't fussy cut it properly. And then I cut in here. This little one, to be honest, was an accident. When I cut that off, I would have left that on, but it's such a fine, if I show you that, there is such a fine line there that when I was fussy cutting it, it just came away. so I had to just work with it. But I think it looks alright. I think we got away with it. So that was what we had used. To colour it, I used light old olive, which I used on these leaves here, and I used dark old olive on the front leaves, and just a mixture of both on the stems. For the main flowers, I used dark petal pink and flirty flamingo for the centre, and then just bled them out a little bit. If I bring it up, you should be able to see that. And then I've just added a little bit of Wink of Stella, just so there's a little bit of shimmer there. Okay, so that was how we done that. Really simple. Then I've got some of our white tulle ribbon that I am going to just add a little bit of adhesive there and get that stuck down. If I can find my thin, because I don't want a big thick strip. Have I got a little thin one lined out? There we go. So I'm just going to put that straight down. It's a little bit off. See if I can be a bit straighter. Not that it matters, because I'm going to be putting the ribbon over it anyway. Right, I'm just going to give that a bit of a burnish to make sure it's down properly. Then I'll grab my little pokey tool. Love this take your pick tool. I use it constantly now. It's my go-to. Tuck that little bit in. Same at the other end. And then I'm taking my tulle and I'm just going to lay it on top. Like so. And I know you can probably see that adhesive through there, but I think it's alright. I think we're going to have enough going on in the card that that won't be an issue. So I'm just going to trim this little bit off, and my scissors are absolutely rubbish at the moment. I am waiting on an order which should be here today. Sorry, it should have been here on Thursday, which I'm filming this ahead of time, so it's coming tomorrow, but this isn't going up till Tuesday. Right, now that I've got that down, to make sure none of the adhesive comes through, use your dust buddy. All you need to do is just pat it along. And what that will do is take the stick out the in-between parts. Okay, so it's not as sticky as it was, which is perfect. Then I have done a little bow with the tulle. I'm going to put that up at the top end, and I'm going to use my glue dots for that. So I'll take 2 glue dots just to make sure it's nice and stuck, and just position it over the top of it. Give it a good press. I want to make sure that that doesn't go anywhere. Right, then we have got our beautiful floral arrangement that I'm going to add with some collal, because again my order still isn't here. I've been clever this time though. I have ordered a few bottles, and then it means once I get down to my last bottle I can order another, so I shouldn't run out again. trying to be a lot more organised this year. Let's see how that works. Right, so I'm going to position that just about there. Then I have got this here. Now these were from my sidekick. I got a few wee dies with it, so I just used them. But there are a lovely amount of heart dies in the, is it Be Mine collection? I'll check that in a second for you. But there is a new collection in the spring summer, which is all hearts. There we go. I'll just off center that a little bit. So you can see it's just a tiny wee bit that's shown. And I'm going to pop that up on dimensionals. Oops. Do it that way, work out better, I think. There we are. And I'm going to position that there. I think I'm going to need to put another one under the bottom end, because that was collapsing a wee bit there when I was pressing it on. There we go. And I've got another two little hearts here, so I'm going to position them, one there and one up there, and I'm going to add a little bit of Wing Castella to them once I've got them down. So let me just add that one. Oops, doing jumps. So add that there, and then this one I'm going to need to cut the dimensional a little bit, because that'll be far too big. And my fingers are not working today, so everything's going a bit ski with. There we go, that's it now. Like that. And as I said, we can add some Wing Castella to that now. Just got to give it a good shake. And then I'm just going to add a good amount onto this. The same here. And I'm just going to add a tiny amount round that. And that's it done. But just add another wee bit here, and I'm going to add some rhinestones to the centre of that, just to make it pop a wee bit more. There we go. Right, rhinestones. So 1, 2, and 3. And we're done. I think that's quite pretty. And it's not inexpensive. You're only using, realistically you could get away with just using the stamp set and your soft seafoam, card base, and Whisper White, bit of tulle, but any ribbon would do. I just think the tulle makes it really, really soft and pretty. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope that you have a wee go. And remember, you can swap these things out. You can change colours easily. This would work with I'm trying to think. There's a large flourish in the first frost that would work perfectly as this as well, which carried over because it was a lovely set. Anyway, I will be back on Tuesday with, no, I'll be back on Thursday with another tutorial for you. And there'll be a few scattered in between with challenges and things that I've entered. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.